de brute la mente la te. Zuta tute le. That's my personal language. Mix of Spanish, Mexico, Italian, everything. You try speak one language. Just try fake one.
My fake one.
Eh?
The levatus, the optaladon.
Oh, God, wait. No, they do this thing. You like to deform too much.
That's what we did talk now.
No.
As you speak your own, just now I quarrel with you.
No, I know. Okay, now which country you all be?
No. Ninja.
Oh, I do those. Oh, just fall flat. You know they see those Mexicans.
They see your face like spoiled beans.
No, so they do it now.
Your face will be like spoiled beans.
No, all those mafia them.
If mafia they talk like that, how comedian come to they talk?
Comedian?
Yeah.
No, how different now?
No, if like Italian mafia they talk the way they talk, so how comedian come to they talk?
Different now.
Okay, do one.
No, this one they always do like this. They spoil face now because their own are drugs and everything they their head, so they spoil head.
Okay.
You never know anything.
Okay.
Now we there, yeah.
Now we get out.
Now we get out. We welcome everybody to come to the late night show. Yeah. All right, and I go by the name of Ogbonge. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I love you. I know you love me. I love you too. Spread love around the world. On the wheels of steel, DJ Easy Beat. I just make I call your name. Maybe you be like say you lost for the whole thing. Yes, just to balance the whole introduction. This is what they call you Thelma since morning.
I don't know.
Who be Thelma? Who be Amaka?
I don't know.
Easy Beat.
This way they won't set me up.
On this show, let's say you want to come the form this thing. Who be who? Who be waiting?
I don't know.
Zenny. They said Easy Beat. Anyway, nobody here go start that prostitution work. It will not work in this show at all. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight on top of the show, we get different correct guests. They will go follow us, sit down, and of course, we'll go do different things, yarn some kind of correct things, and of course, make enough brain. Sometime last week, we get this particular set of guys, and we enter the show. Come give them a small skit. They laugh group. They go there here with us today again. Still make everybody laugh. And of course, we get the guy we, recently in song, just they enter everywhere, and they make enough brain around the country. Ricardo Banks, they in the building. Yeah, I say Easy Bitch want to give me small things. Make I just give them small dancing things. But at the same time, Ricardo Banks will follow us day here all the way from Maven Records. And of course, one of my other guys, Yomi Casual. Good day here. Make we talk fashion and everything. You see, on the way, if you come, no shaking. If you don't come, no wella. We'll continue the show. All right. So on this particular note like this, we'll start everything on top of the show. Now, still the late night show. We'll go Twitter at W Late Night Show. Reach there, give us gist, and of course, follow us. We'll follow you back and make all of us make brain together and every. So officially, the show here has started, and now we are going to continue with every. So Easy Bit. Carry us on the break. They come back. Okay. I'm not going to understand why they laugh because some people they talk in my ear. Because it's money. My show manu. They call me Ugly baby. Why? It does not feel right. Easy Beat. You feel call Easy Beat that one. You understand? But if you call easy baby, now Thelma they call you since morning. Thelma. But ladies and gentlemen, we don't enter the segment what they call the Cocoa of the Day.
Tell them the cocoa.
Oh yeah.
Tell them the cocoa. I make a tell them the cocoa. People tell them the cocoa. Make a tell them. I say make a tell them the cocoa. When you sing about women life, we just use the magic.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. All right, now things are happening. Easy Bit. Things are happening.
Talk to me.
Okay, enter amebo level now.
Talk to me.
Finally, at least for once, we hear something that is different. This particular issue concerns woman will go by force torchlight man. Before now, they hear man torchlight woman, man torchlight woman. I think finally now they say that woman I go torchlight man. And for once, I don't know whether I was I'm proud of the story, but I know it shall make me feel good somehow. Okay. But I feel say many men that whether they rape, whether they by force torchlight, but then they talk. Then they talk. They just lock up, say, how you want to tell person? Just come and they cry for road. Oga, do you? If I tell you, what do you do? Now Stella, what do you do? Stella, they go rape me. How? Your guys, I think they blow your eye. Shut up, you. What's going to worry you? Keep quiet there. But men don't if you talk that thing. You understand? But the reverse side.
It happen when like that.
It could happen. No, say some women they beat their husband.
But if the women are they look and be like say. Now boy they rape, I been a man.
Man, okay, but now bro, you boy happen.
Oh, that one anything happen.
No, people they even follow animal, they form rape on top of animal. Now this particular guy, lady, Sierra Ross. She and her friends they drive one day. You know they drive for motor, just they cruise. Then I see one guy for road though. They wind down. Hello, where you going? You the ride? Now the guy said, say, okay, help me drop me somewhere. Now the guy entered the motor. As he fall in the motor, before they drive, go fast more. Now they bring a gun. Bail up you! Bail up there! Go to the back seat. And now 2 chicks there for the motor. Go back seat.
How many guys?
Now 1 guy, now they carry.
Okay.
The 2 ladies, now they side motor, they drive. And they bail up! And they get bail up. Huh? Go back seat. Go back there. Come on, your cloth. Oh yeah, now. Start. They do my friend, make they look you.
Yeah? I don't understand.
What you want to start as now film you what?
No, you say me that.
They can go bring the car.
Many 2 women go back.
They say make you go back seat.
Okay.
So now for back seat, now they do every.
Oh.
So she when they drive the motor, say she want they look then they do am.
Oh.
So now yeah they do things now. So
me they doing friend.
Now. So now by force now. The guy say me, I'm a born again Christian. Shut up you. You want to say I'm holy and righteous? If I slap your ear. So now the chick be this, see her picture, see her face, only be like raping. Very, very sad case.
Oh, wow.
But this particular guy, they can't force and take off his cloth. But when they say for paying me, they say they can't rob the guy join. They can't come out like $200.
At least they don't kill him now.
They don't kill him. But this particular one, maybe he killed him spiritually.
Spiritually, yeah.
But any which way, but finally at least, but you going to go report to police. Then they're going to, by the time they don't look CCTV camera and everything, they come to some kind of findings. Then they come
footage like that.
They gbab the woman. Say, come, you are a rapist on top man. But that guy, you know, say we don't see a picture. Guy look up, say, please, I report this case, but please don't show my picture, please. What's your wife want talk?
I want.
You know, say you know if you talk for house again.
No, you know go fit talk.
When,
I remember one time there was a friend like that.
It's in you.
I'm not be me. Okay. Come over there. So I remember they go rob them for house. But they go rob them for house, and so this guy now big boy, he gets swag where. So they can't get one girl we follow them come.
Yes.
They can't tell and say I'm making sleep with the girl.
Yes.
The guy say in body no stand. They say, oh yeah, they do. The guy say, they say they do.
By first work,
I tell you.
By first work. But imagine that thing. Say women they can't rob for house. Bail up. You know as men they take rob, they can't go they
women
do
they show like that.
Hair. Imagine that you're reverse. Boom, bail up there. Say, bail up. You know, say that chicks now they can't rob. Bail up you. Bail up. Lie down now. Take off your cloth now. Is it? Imagine seeing a men in the house. Sorry, oh madam. Oh, sorry. The next day, men come gather themselves. They rob your house. Hey, my number now 32. Your number waiting 37. They enter my house now. 4 of them. They rape me. The 4 of them. They like say, hey, you get their number. Better call them. But no be laughing gist at all. But now very bad thing. But I know why they laugh for this gist. I don't know why.
It's funny.
It's funny, I mean. But well, police don't catch you, man. They don't charge them, go court and everything. So they will settle the whole thing. All right. So Coco number 2.
With the coco.
Okay. Now, this one concerns football things. For those football fans and everybody, this is for this country, we be lovers of football and we like to die there.
Straight up.
Which club you be? Easy be?
Chelsea.
All blue. No wonder. All these Chelsea fans, Agbero. All the Chelsea fans, no, not this joke. All the touts they waiting for this Lagos. Chelsea.
Should you go filling station, go buy fare.
Na joke.
Okay.
Na just joke. Me, I don't even dare anyone.
Okay.
I no be football person.
I just
But
like Chelsea those days because of some few guys we know today there now. Say Mikel did there that year.
But still, your loyalty remains with them.
Just normal.
Me, I be fake Arsenal guy that time because one of my...
Me, I not be that hard fan, no. If they win, we are good. If they don't win, you
lock up.
Straight up.
Me, I'm a Nigerian team fan. If Nigeria they play match, now I know say football they happen.
Eyimba.
Eyims, baby.
You're loyal.
All right, but this particular club, Kule, Ebenezer, Odulami, and Prince Agri, their picture there for somewhere there. Now, these are our guys, them. They go play match, they play match, finish. Now they come out clothes for celebration when they win the match.
Yeah.
They come out jersey, still come out Chook to join. So now, see now,
They wiggle.
see what they at least, you know, they call commodities reach their bosses.
They wiggle.
Now they find them 50,000 though. Say, for commodity your jersey, you see come out Chook to join 50,000. She no say for this country, you know if you throw your jersey side crowd. Because you don't know you go see another jersey collect.
They shock you.
Your coach will want you. Tram. Tram, make with the see you. They tram now. You go wear another club jersey for the next match. But the guy they pay 50,000 naira fine for commoting their cloth. So if for this country now, if you don't say they are happy, say you don't win match, no comot cloth. The best way if you just do be say just go the crowd, go shout. Ah! But if you get body, don't know enter crowd, then they slap person.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Yeah, go, don't enter crowd. As just a phone inside the crowd, bam, poof, come on for your 1 kilo. Poof, get out. What's wrong with you? Want to kiss somebody? You say with your body odor artist, go swim for soccer away. Anyway, now tell you feel about the whole gist we carry give now. Go our Twitter handle, reach there, just give us the gist. All right. And for here, we come out for the cocoa of the day. We'll continue with the rest of the show. They laugh, Ricardo Banks, and everybody there for the whole building. So we'll continue. Gentlemen, that particular guy who just watching video right now. I beg make you not help me make welcome the correct guy with the sumptuous voice and every Ricardo Banks. Paul. J. I know the baby, so I was saying, I know the chick now. Yes. Ricardo. Oh, baby, how far now?
I do, Baba.
As in, these guys, you people are doing us proud in this country.
Very, very well.
Very, very proud. And before we start with the whole team, make I first say biggest shout out to Don Jazzy. At least, biggest shout out to Don Jazzy. I believe say so far, he don't carry on that squad we go worry this full country, at least for the next decade. I believe there's will worry this full country. Amen. But like this now, make we start on this P now. Because I read somewhere, and I'll make use of my tell people. Okay. Because sometimes I tell Corey, so people know they know story. They just see the last part and everything. They all reason say, man, this person just come out from nowhere. But Ricardo, you first hawk things for Express. You first work for Pongpong where they do bricklayer things. Tell us about that year.
It was just the face in my life.
Now,
okay, now don't be say this thing, and I just want face for my life. Not be like say I don't like work for a very, very long time.
Long time, okay.
You get me? At the time, and nobody say okay. Basically, nobody say my people no get money to take care of me and stuff. But I just be that kind of picking where we say I don't like make I distress my parents. You get so I just like make I
at least on your
day,
own.
Yeah, make I just day by myself. Like I go like make I just day by myself. Not disturb anybody for anything. So that was now it didn't actually push me.
Okay, go do
that
Saturday
kind of stuff. Yeah, so just to get some kind of money for myself.
For yourself, at least.
Just for myself.
But that time, when how your friends say they reason the whole thing, because I know the beginning of our guys that year, when all of us they try to say, okay, maybe we go hustle this hustle. The guy come go to work for eatery, the open door. So we just to find the guy in trouble, just go to eatery. I said, open door where we at. I don't go buy anything. No, you go to the eatery, they form say they wait for person. They all lock up just to find that guy in trouble. But like I play now, this is now about almost like 10 years now. The guy na big boy for that same place now. Now big boy for that place. But that year, how your friends take the whole thing? Because I know say all us to gather money on to say your music things and all that. But how people they feel about your decision to go do all those things and stuff?
Basically, I know gather friends like that.
Okay.
I get just close-knit of friends for the past like 10, 15 years now. Like since I small.
Same set of people there.
They're like 4 or 5.
Okay.
And so we dey into the hustle shit together, so maybe anything.
So nobody say as you come the rise, you can't just shank then go one side say one thing.
Everybody will still do together.
But some people because like some people go talk. They say, man, keep your friends small and you get small wella. Because
Maybe now it's a reason.
you understand. But at the same time, some friends they change based on your success.
Straight up.
But
You get?
I thank God for my own friends.
Well, thank God for your own friend. Because on some day, if I go area that year, if I enter area, say maybe I drive enter area like this, some girl will look you. No more hailing again. You can't calm down just for make it no be like say you don't swell up. I say boy don't do your armpits. You don't calm down. Come say hey, how now then now? Some people just green move. Some people just green move, but well, no be anybody fault. Now just do it life. They take carry people till they go. Now from Ondo State.
Yes, boss.
But you know look easy bit. You look like Ondo boy.
I know to
Not to resemble.
Not to resemble Ondo State boy. Like hey, you want to be like all those Namdi. Namdi. You understand? Namdi. So your plan now, you don't dey cover your dreads now.
I know. I just.
The swagalicious things now. If I'm sad, no I say for TV, I for just carry my own self come. And they grow dreads for my spiritual head. Somewhere inside there. Now, your song will be everywhere now. Catapult.
No, thank God.
Catapult. Catapult. Okay, move your easy beat. One feel out. Yeah. Child. Oh. I don't say easy beat like this song.
As we dey go there, they more do. You still respect my hustle. I count on you, you know they bust my bubble. Girl, there will be no me without you by my side. I survive.
Very spiritual.
How I want to live this life. Now only God will fit this life. Now you with the boss, my bololo dada. Dada, yeah. If them like me, them fire catapult of envy. They throw us bomb of jealousy. They stop the eye our progress.
Oh, Father will bless you. Lord will worship you. We give you all the praise and all the adoration.
Actually, this song gives the same expression. Like everybody, they give the same. See,
spiritual things, Abi.
I don't know.
But how the inspiration for this song take come? Say you just play with something, Abi.
Actually, I just play.
Serious.
Actually, the beat, Jazzy made the beat. He said he get the inspiration for the beat for playing. He did playing. He did fly called Nigeria. I don't know where to go. So that day he came back. He never even enter
studio.
As he never enter a room. He just drop him bag for studio.
Just
start to do the beat. And me, I know actually they around. But yeah, he don't finish the beat. So my friend come call me, say, Alpha, come on, I'll come studio. You get this beat way Jazzy they do. I sure say you go like him. So I come around, I hear the beat. I say, yeah, now make a freestyle. He say, they go now. I actually freestyle the whole first verse.
Okay.
So, and people with this studio that because Jazzy just come, people did studio.
So they hear don't come now.
They like him, and we start to build them like that.
So from there, you just come because you can turn. You get the feel. I be drive one day, even they want radio station, and as they talk, people just call you and say, man, Ricardo, this song. I don't want to mention the radio station. This song. I mean, I can't feel and say, man, I got spark. You know, because that was the first time I say, make I listen to them well. And not to be, I don't say Yoruba enter for the whole thing, so I don't really understand Yoruba too much, but the chorus, I think I feel singer for church now.
Very tight. Very
now. Just say, just do church things. Just lift your hands and just today catapult. For this
Lord,
country,
we catapult you.
Every enemy. Prayer now! Catapult! Find me catapult! The catapult of God! Back to them! Prayer now! Catapult! I say everybody for church go do like this. Fire! You go see people go dey dodge stone for church. Yeah! Catapult, man. But so far, how the reception for the song be?
Massive.
Based on your own side, now how it be, how the reception
Massive,
be?
bro. I no go lie for you. Like massive song we no get video we no be party song. We the ball for charts like say
Exactly.
like it's so amazing, man. I'm really grateful to God. I'm grateful to Don Jazzy for the production, for everything, man.
Yeah.
So
Because I like the fact, so songs like this they come. I say that they show Nigerians say we don't necessarily need to sit down. Come the year back the club bangers and all before person go fit sing very very reasonable. So I mean before now we get Ami from Dami Crane.
Understand?
And before then we don't sing some songs we're not too hit,
Yes,
but I mean
yes,
just
yes.
come and just make brain. This one now, this is another beautiful song. Where if you just sit down, say okay, I don't want to hear too much noise. Make I just reason onto
maintain
life
this
and
level.
everything. You get. Shout out to Don Jazzy once again, and of course the beautiful, talented, Ricardo Banks. Great. So right now, I know say you talk say album no go launch this year.
No,
Na like till next year before we
Yes,
release
yeah,
anything.
yeah,
But for
yeah.
now, singles go they come out one by one.
Definitely like singles go yakpa. Okay, this year we fit still drop like 3 more.
Okay.
And aside those ones, we don't drop plenty collabos.
Collabos, yes. I know
And
say yes.
more still dey
Collabos.
come.
Dey.
Like we don't drop The Prince featuring me, you know, so DJ Hassan featuring me and Iceberg Slim Shomo.
Okay.
Wale featuring me, Olamide.
Olamide,
Don Jazzy,
Hallelujah, abi?
Hallelujah.
That one video
Plenty-
was on one day.
Yeah. It's in works. It's in
Shoot
works.
out now,
Yeah,
because great things you way to do, great
Thanks,
things way to
boss.
do. But at the
Thanks,
same
boss.
time, what you go tell that lecturer,
That one, I
that
mean.
lecturer that year, we talk say man, nothing for you for this thing.
Leave
For
am
that
now.
reason, not do my test.
It's nothing. You go. I don't know.
No, because see, life they very very funny. You
Yeah,
understand?
different face.
Sometimes
different
you
face,
already say okay, you just drive go to school, or they go say lecturer, I just make I carry something to give you.
Yeah.
Based on what you talk that year. Or just see, you know who abuse the man, no.
At all.
Instead, go bless am something, say, bros, take.
Silent.
Just to show you, say, man, that year when you talk to man.
Make you just do inside.
No, because sometimes,
do
you know,
myself.
if na me shower, I will all stroke go meet am. Because, okay, for those of you who don't know the gist, one lecturer actually tell Ricardo Banks, say, nothing for him for this music thing. But today, we are happy, say, so far, you've been doing so well for your own self.
Yes, boss.
Of course, amazing things will come out, and anytime from now, we'll know say yes. This kind of the starting point, that was the starting point, and very, very big things will they follow for back.
Amen.
All right, so we'll take this break now. By the time we come back, we go just round up mouth on top the whole P with Ricardo Banks, and then we'll continue with the whole show. All right, now see the late night show, not go anywhere. Easy beat, take us out, and we come back.
Ricky Fresno, Ricky Tom Tom.
Oh yeah, once again, and welcome back to the late night show. And of course, Ricardo Banks, what's up? Okay, now before I start, you know, based on who you be, some of your fans, they don't send, you know, some kind of question. They say, make we ask you. And myself and Ogbonge, we don't discuss them.
Jeez.
So we just talk, say we go to drop on one after the other. And the thing they go like this, you could just give us your answer, yes or no.
Let's go.
And I believe as I talk to Ogbonge, we don't hand over the parrot
Yes,
to
on
you.
those scripts, and
So yes or no day. So just talk through to nothing but the truth. Just talk am as the goal.
the whole truth.
She's on and no, I've been on.
The same question.
The same
People
question.
they ask.
I dey tell you.
Oh yeah.
I dey tell you.
Same question we ask.
Okay, Caribans, you don't set?
Yeah, no.
Okay, now. The first question on the list for here. Talk say.
You never play your.
No, wait now. Calm down, not the rush. No, so the first question for the list for here. Talk and say. Whether you don't ever, for your life, you know, you just get one lecturer we talk one time, say, you not go do this, you not go do that. I think talk that word. You don't ever think and say,
Let's see this.
You dey fear, abi? No. Now the chucking be that.
You dey with me,
Chucking.
when the lecturer clear you that time, talk and say you know go feel make am for music. How you feel? You feel say you go feed drum or you feel say you know go feed drum?
How this one take relate now? Make I just talk the answer now.
No. Now the thing is for you to talk yes or no. When he tell you that word and you go back, you go reason now. You feel say
You go make am.
you go make am or you not go make am.
If I say yes, what are they talking yes to?
That's true.
No.
And that's true.
No, the lecturer ask you say you go feel make am. You got it for your own
He
mind.
ask me yes, okay.
He asked me yes. Whether you go feel make am.
He asked me yes.
He asked
He asked
you.
me that
Yes.
one too, yes.
Is it this your question?
No. Now the way the thing say there,
Yes.
the lecturer ask say, no, for your mind, you believe say you go feel make am. That's all. That's all.
Nah, him be that.
Okay. Now you ask the question.
Okay, so when
I let me reduce this Nollywood.
no, so the things they come with the package.
Yeah, I know.
Now your second question. You don't ever hide before. Say at the end of the day they call they carry you.
Jeez.
Confirm.
Never that anymore though.
Okay.
I was like
Star
2
boy.
years ago. Man.
2 years
Okay.
ago.
Now the last one here. You never did perform before. Say girls could just remove their. Say Ricardo Banks, take it.
Not yet, I mean.
Boy, it might be in the works.
It might be in the works.
It might be
It's
in the
coming
works.
through.
Somewhere along the line, people.
That's it. So now the final question might be that Ricardo Banks.
Nice.
For
Okay,
you, yeah.
final. Okay, now to just say chuck you small. Maybe be like say just come and then you say fans always send these questions. And then, so many other ones they see but they say you wrap up onto the question and everything.
Right.
So Ricardo, how do you say jam me on top Twitter and Instagram and all that stuff?
Twitter, Instagram, Ricardo Banks, REEKADOBANKS. Make us talk.
Yeah, talk am again. No.
REEKADOBANKS. Okay, now this.
Okay, they for screen like that.
Nice
So,
one.
so just follow them on top that level, and of course, many more fans and followers and everything. What do they call your fans then?
Rickadicts.
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 Rickadicts. Rickadicts. Oh boy, these are Chinese. You watch all those Chinese films that you have.
If I hear so, no, watch and finish. Go come out. Go fight.
Go outside. Go to the thing. What do you think about your childhood? Do you remember the most? We at least we know we area children.
We
know
know,
say we
we
are
know,
area
we
children.
know.
Not be say the bonus as body.
We
at least
know.
me I dey remember tire where they roll.
Oh, shit.
Gutter where they fall.
Oh,
enter,
shit.
Kites where they do
Oh
for outside.
shit! Those days, mom see hanger go bend all of them. Come to the
You understand? Then Koso still there.
oh shit!
Yeah, I know that one.
Koso
I know
still
that.
there.
And the soccer.
I remember fruits,
soccer.
where you go to pluck fruit, climb tree,
Climb tree.
the highest tree, you know,
climb-
play ball,
But
you know the
monkey
mommy and
post.
daddy. You know the mommy and
Oh, mommy
That
and
was so
daddy. Mommy and daddy. That one, and then many children left
Oh
it.
shit!
But I don't know. I like
now
the
there you
papa.
go no say. Why you
No,
go?
I dey like Papa Roll.
Okay.
Does it
Papa
done
Roll.
that?
The
Does it
ones
done
that
that? They done
people get
that.
for area.
They done that. They
People
done that. Mo go sleep.
Mo go sleep. Why you here? Mo go sleep.
I don't know why we dey sleep
We must share sleep. Oh.
every time.
That sleep, you can sleep. They happen like 4 times. One, and then they get room. Let's see, we don't burn. Oh jeez. And the mama got the form cooking with sand
and leaves.
and leaf and everything.
We don't like chop food though.
Oh, no,
we
that-
We
that-
always
that-
cook
that-
am. We always cook am.
Growing up was beautiful.
That's
Growing up
it.
was beautiful. Ricardo, thank you so you followed us this on top
Thanks,
of the show today.
man. Thanks
Really
for having
appreciate
me,
your
Baba.
presence.
Yes,
and of
boss.
course, we look to bigger things from you,
Amen,
even for the
amen,
whole year
amen,
and every.
amen,
All right.
amen.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, the show still continue. They bring in the laugh comedy group to come give us some kind of laughing things on top of the show. Muna no go anywhere. They come back.